In this video, we will be looking into what a brand purpose, mission and vision is. A lot of businesses jump straight into designing a logo, but before choosing colors, before fonts, before a website, before any of these things, there are three very important things that need to be clear: your purpose, your mission and your vision. And a few other things too, but we'll get to that in the next videos. These three things are part of the foundation of your brand. I like to think about it in this simple way. Your purpose is your why. Why does your business exist? Not just to make money, but why does it matter? Here's a simple example. If someone owns a bakery, their purpose might be to bring joy to families through fresh, homemade bread. Purpose is about the meaning. It's the reason behind the business. If your business disappeared tomorrow, what difference would it make? That answer points to your purpose. Next up is your mission. And that is what you do every day to live out that purpose. If the purpose is the why, then the mission is the what. Using the bakery example, their purpose is bring joy to families. Their mission is then bake fresh, affordable bread every morning for the local community. Now, your vision is about the future. It answers the question, where is this going? It's the big picture of what you hope to build over time. And if we go back to the bakery example, their mission might be to become the most beloved neighborhood bakery in their region. Right, so your vision is about where you want to go, your purpose is why you exist, and your mission is what you do. You can think of it like this. Purpose equals the why, mission equals the what, and vision equals the where. They work together. If these are clear, your brand feels strong and focused. If they're unclear, everything else becomes confusing. You don't need any fancy words, you just need clarity. And don't focus on getting it perfect the first time. It can change and grow as your business does and get refined along the way. So grab a notebook or notes on your phone and answer these questions. Step 1, let's find your purpose. Ask yourself, why did I start this business? Who does it help? And what change do I want to make? And just write one simple question. For example, this business exists to help busy moms save time. Plain, straightforward. That's enough. Step 2 is write your mission. What do you actually do every day? How does your business help people? Here's an example. We prepare healthy, ready-to-cook meals for busy families. Keep it simple. And clear is better than clever. Step 3 is to create your vision. Where do you want this business to be in 5 to 10 years? What impact do you want it to have? This can be, for example, to become the go-to healthy meal brand in your city. It's big picture, future focused. These three things guide your decisions. They help you stay focused, stay consistent, and build a brand that just makes sense. Without them, branding becomes random, but with them, branding becomes intentional. Before you design anything, just get clear on your purpose, your mission, and your vision. And in the next video, we'll go deeper into another part of branding and keep building it step by step. See you there.